and open his 13th event on a very important subject, diversity.
And this event is a tremendous opportunity for the industry to hear what's going on outside the world, and for us in the industry to learn about what you're doing here, which is an incredibly dynamic coffee sector.
Culture that appreciates this unique beverage, and it's one of the countries that appreciate coffee the most.
I really think coffee gives positive impact to community, people, and basically the communities they touch. I always say coffee is an agent of change. What I mean by that is that it has this power to change lives, right?
I love coffee. For me, what motivates me about coffee is that it is the one crop that is grown in the tropics, but is loved and regarded so well in consuming countries. And it's a crop that can actually bring people together. That coffee farmers in Kenya, in Uganda, in Papua New Guinea, in Peru, are all contributing to a beverage that builds our cultures all over the world. And it's truly a crop that unites us, and that's what I love about coffee.